trying out the GoPro, seeing what it's like. Nice 15 knots on the northeast and just sailing upwind to northern end of Sydney Harbour. So let's watch and see how she goes. Well, that's just a very short little video clip from my new GoPro Hero 9, and I really take all my inspiration from this development of these YouTube clips from Eric Andera off No Bullshit Just Sailing, as he sails his 35-foot Contessa called Tessie around the Norwegian Sea single-handed in some of the most atrocious conditions imaginable. And my passion is now my boat, Momentum, and my preparation for her in getting her ready to do a circumnavigation in Tasmania in 2021. So you don't want to lose your passion for adventure in life, and I think that's really important. So my message in this video is to get off the lounge and find your dream, and hopefully you'll enjoy coming along with me while I pursue my endeavours and my passion as well. So until next time, we'll talk shortly.